Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine, and today we are going to learn about birds. Before learning birds, I'm going to tell you a small rhyme. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, another named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Yes, here the birds will fly high in the sky. Yes, we'll see some more facts about some birds. Children, here we have a topic on birds. And see, what is this picture? Yes, and this is a parrot. This is a parrot. Many parrots can imitate. That means they will imitate others. Parrots are only birds that can eat with their feet. They eat with their feet. And what is this? Yeah, it's a crow. Crow has a great memory, it seems. They can remember many things. Yeah, it is black in color. And next we have owl. And children, owl are very active at night. We sleep at night, right? But owls are very active at night. They have large eyes and a flat face. Next we have beautiful peacock. Peacock is one of the most beautiful bird. Peacocks cannot fly high. Yes, they cannot fly much high. Next we have eagle. Eagles are large and powerful birds. They have excellent eyesight. Yes, they can see anything from far. See, some more birds. We'll once again repeat them. Parrot, crow, sparrow, peacock, owl, pigeon, ostrich. Yes. Yes, children, we saw some birds, right? Yes, as we talk about birds, all the birds cannot fly high. Yes, some birds like peacock will, peacock cannot fly much high. Ostrich also cannot fly, but it runs very fast. So, that's we learn about birds. Hope you will learn about birds much more. Bye bye. Take care.